Suppose a and b are odd integers. We're going to show that there exists a unique integer c such that, and a is not equal to b. Anyway, there's a unique integer c so that a minus c is equal to b minus c, absolute value. Okay, so first things first is that, let's see, we have cases. Case 1 is that a is greater than b. Let's see, c and b. Here, let's make it this way. Case 1 is that a minus c and b minus c have different signs. In that case, the absolute value of a minus c and equals the absolute value of b minus c. What's going to happen is that one of those will have to switch. You'll get this: a minus c is equal to c minus b. Okay, and if that's the case, then you can write a plus b is equal to 2c, and that will give you a plus b over 2 is equal to c. Now that we need to check to see if that is an integer, because it might just be like 3/2. So we'll get to that in a sec. Let's see, case 2 is a minus c and b minus c have the same sign. Then a minus c equals b minus c. If they're the same sign, then they'll either both be positive or both negative, and that will be true there, which means that when you add c to both sides, you get a equals b, but a doesn't equal b. So case 2 is impossible. So let's focus on case 1. So a minus c equals b minus, have different signs, and c is equal to a plus b over 2. Now, a is 2k1 plus 1, and b is 2k2 plus 1. So c is equal to 2k1 plus 1 plus 2k2 plus 1 over 2, which is the same as k1 plus k2 plus 1, which is an integer. Oh, here k1 and k2 are integers. Okay, so there's existence. Didn't leave myself much room. Let me slide this over just a bit. Good enough. Okay, let's deal with uniqueness. There, good enough. Okay, let's deal with the uniqueness situation. Okay. Suppose there are 2 integers, C1 and C2, such that A minus C1 is equal to B minus C1, and A minus C2 is equal to B minus C2. Okay, what do we do with this? Oh, what we could do is we could okay, so we've established that okay, in the existence, since A minus C1 and A and B minus C1 have different signs. And A minus C2 and B minus C2 have different signs. Then A minus C1 is equal to C1 minus B, and A minus C2 is equal to C2 minus B. And here we can just subtract these equations from one another, which gives, or I guess we could solve. Let's see, so we could do this. A plus B is equal to 2C2, or C1, and A plus B is equal to 2C2. So 2C1 is 2C2, and C1 equals C2. So it has to be unique. They can't have two different ones.